Good morning, guys and girls. Good morning. It is currently February the 13th. We're doing an extreme cold test today. We're going to see what the temperature is. Let's start recording. And the weather today in Stittsville, Ontario is minus 18, feels like minus 22. I'm going to take the drone for a quick spin, see how she handles. Let's fire her up. Oh, I forgot my little sticks. Oh, so hard when it's cold. Okay, let's go. I'm going to let it warm up for 1 second. I'm going to start recording. Let's take off. You can see a little bit of shake there. Gimbal motor overload. Okay, so we've got a gimbal motor overload for the landing. We've got a gimbal motor overload. Let's see what we can do. Alright, well, it looks like we got a gimbal motor overload, so we're going to call it a day there. We're going to take it back inside, see how we can figure that out. So, minus 20 degrees, not sure if that's the problem, but the gimbal is not working.
Take off.
Alright, YouTubes, that's where it ends. I did take the drone home, took it inside, started it up, and the gimbal seemed to fix itself, so I can only presume it was due to minus 20 degrees or so. So thankfully everything is okay, but we will try again when it's not quite so cold. It's meant to get up to minus 5 today, so it's going to be a little bit nicer, and we will go from there. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. And of course, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button.
Landing. Landing.
The drone did not like the cold.